Guys, let's start pulling this glass. We're gonna have some copyrights, but there are also the 3D printers. You can make caps for your tools that'll make scratches. So we're gonna use the blades. Let me just throw it away. I don't want to steal one of my knees. So let's start with this one. The first we do is a pre-cut. The same thing. First thing is out. Now, let's see how far we are. Just a top. Careful with those wires. And we're gonna put this one here. Okay, we got that one. That's the paint. When you see this one, is the paint on the edge. We gotta prime those before we're done. Put the glass on. Okay, so when we see all this edge scratching, we're gonna prime it, okay? Okay. This one is almost there. Now we got the big one. And the big one. Okay, so we see the only one we need to cut is the edge or size here, because we got a little piece of pitch wheel on the right. Okay. Yeah. On the top, one cut. Now it's losing. Let's go for the cord, and we're done. Because what we're gonna do is just pull a little line here, because we just opened the frame like that. We're putting this one inside here. Alright. So now let's go to the top. That's all we have to do. We're going to tighten the line. And now we're going to watch out when we go these corners. Just watch the bolt. Okay, we're going to use the driller. Remember, this technique sometimes works, sometimes not. Doesn't. You see the line is making the cut. Just watch the bolt. Let me go this way. Be close to the bolt. It's right here. Sorry, I put this one in the wrong place. The first rule is always to the left, not to the right. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm going to guide this guy here because I want to. What I want is get the cord exactly in this point, and that way I can just pull around the bolt. The bolt. Alright, so we have the part here, so we're gonna pull a little bit more. That's it. Okay, and now we're gonna just get this guy here, a little piece of urethane. I got my line showing right there. Make it here without damage the cord. A little piece of urethane is coming up. Little tension. Let me loose it. There you go. Right there. Alright. The clip, let's see if we can do something. I need to replace my clip. This guy, unfortunately, we catch him from behind, so it's gonna be breaking. That's it. I got a good tension, but the clip, I think, is gonna be behind the clip now, so I hope I can break it, because it's gone. Let's see if we can do it, okay? Alright. We go through. We're gonna finish one side. We got the next one. Remember, we pre-cut this part. Alright. Now we're gonna repeat the same thing to the other side. You can do this one for the slidings, but that's depending on how much urethane you have in the car. I'm in the glass. Okay, guys, now let's go to the other side. Use the glasses, but I think this time it's there. Because this one is gonna pull this way. That's nice. Guys, we ready? So now this one, we cannot use this one. We have to use a suction cup, okay? Because it's lower. Like that. Okay, we almost get this one. Alright. let's see what we got here. So I don't think this is gonna pass. So let me break this guy. Break that one. No. Alright, so we passed that one. We're gonna watch just the bolt. That's the last pass. Alright. I think we're gonna be, there you go. So just the bolt. And then a little hook right there. I'm gonna grab this cord. And that's all. Really slow. And that's it. Okay guys, and we're done. Okay, so that's all. That's a little tricky if we want to do back glasses for Toyota. Sometimes works, sometimes not, but in some way it's cool. So you can leave the glass this point. Okay guys, we finished. See you next time, and that's shot.